Socrates once posed a thought-provoking question. To find yourself, think for yourself. A timeless piece of wisdom, isn't it? This ancient philosopher, known for his profound wisdom and method of questioning, believed that man knows what he doesn't know. A paradoxical statement, perhaps, yet it forms the bedrock of Socratic dialogue. It's time to embark on a journey to explore the essence of Socratic thinking and dialogue essentials. Picture a mental gymnastic, a verbal challenge that shapes and sharpens the mind. This is Socratic dialogue, and it is as dynamic and engaging as it sounds. Socratic dialogue is a verbal victory. It's an open and respectful conversation where every question leads to a deeper understanding and every answer uncovers a layer of truth. However, it's not just about talking. Socrates was keen on how to listen. Listening in Socratic dialogue is as important as speaking, if not more. But what is dialogue without practice? Imagine engaging in interactive games akin to speed networking, where every interaction is a lesson, every conversation a step towards personal excellence. Socrates was not just about words, but the meaning behind them. He believed that words and their definitions do matter. Each word in a Socratic dialogue is a tool, a means to reach a deeper understanding. It's not about talking too much, but talking with purpose. Remember, Socratic dialogue is a method, a process, and not a debate. It's about inquiring, exploring, and uncovering truths. Socrates once questioned, how can a man inquire what he doesn't inquire? A seemingly impossible task, but not in a Socratic dialogue. In this journey of personal excellence through Socratic dialogue, remember the essence of Socratic thinking. It's not about knowing everything, but understanding that you don't. It's about thinking for yourself, finding yourself through your thoughts, and achieving personal excellence through dialogue. To summarize, this workshop will enlighten you on Socratic thinking and dialogue essentials, the method of questioning, and the importance of words and their definitions. You will engage in interactive games, learn the art of conversation, and the significance of listening. All these, while practicing Socratic dialogue, will lead you to a path of personal excellence. Socratic dialogue, a mental gymnastic, a verbal victory, a journey of self-discovery and personal excellence. Ready to embark on this journey? Remember, to find yourself, think for yourself. Are you enjoying this journey of self-discovery and personal excellence through Socratic dialogue? If so, we invite you to subscribe to our channel Philotreat. Here we delve deeper into the realm of knowledge, questioning, and deep thinking, providing enlightening updates on upcoming events and workshops. This is your journey, your path to understanding, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of thinkers. Remember, to find yourself, think for yourself. Stay tuned for more Socratic dialogues. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring.